Join me as I dive into the challenge of exploring how polypropylene is taking over the automotive industry and why it matters. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Welcome to qfleetnews, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. A recent report predicts this market will reach a staggering $154.2 billion by 2035, and much of that growth is being driven by advancements in sustainability and automotive innovations. So, what does this mean for the fleets and vehicles we rely on every day? Let's break it down. Polypropylene, a material that's been gaining momentum in the automotive industry, is revolutionizing the way cars are designed and manufactured. And today we're going to uncover the reasons behind its rapid adoption. From reducing weight to minimizing environmental impact, polypropylene is changing the game. In recent years, major automotive companies have been scrambling to find a material that can meet their growing demands for sustainability and performance. And polypropylene has emerged as a clear winner. But what makes it so special? We'll dive into that in just a minute. But first, let's talk about the current state of the industry. The automotive industry is facing unprecedented challenges. With increasingly stringent regulations, rising material costs, and growing concerns about climate change, manufacturers are under pressure to find innovative solutions. And that's where polypropylene comes in, a material that's not only cost-effective, but also offers a range of benefits that are hard to ignore. So what exactly is polypropylene, and why is it becoming the go-to material for automotive manufacturers? Well, let's explore that in more detail. From bumper to interior components, polypropylene is being used in a wide range of applications, and its potential is vast. Traditional materials like steel and aluminum have long been the mainstays of the automotive industry, but they come with significant drawbacks. They're heavy, expensive, and have a substantial environmental impact. And that's where polypropylene comes in, a lightweight, durable, and cost-effective material that's changing the way cars are made. The weight of a vehicle has a huge impact on its performance, fuel efficiency, and environmental footprint. And that's where polypropylene's lightweight properties come into play. By reducing the weight of components, manufacturers can create cars that are not only more efficient, but also better for the environment. But weight is just one aspect of the equation. The cost of materials is a significant factor in the automotive industry, and polypropylene offers a more affordable solution. By using polypropylene, manufacturers can reduce their production costs without sacrificing performance or quality. Of course, environmental impact is a major concern for the automotive industry, and polypropylene has a lot to offer here too. From reducing greenhouse gas emissions to minimizing waste, this material is a game changer. But what about durability? Can polypropylene really withstand the rigors of daily driving? The answer is yes. Polypropylene is an incredibly durable material that can withstand extreme temperatures, scratches, and impacts without compromising its performance. In fact, polypropylene is so durable that it's being used in a wide range of applications, from exterior components to interior trim and beyond. And its versatility is one of its biggest advantages. Of course, one of the biggest concerns with any new material is its recyclability. And polypropylene scores high here too. It's fully recyclable, reducing waste and minimizing its environmental impact even further. So, how are major automotive companies using polypropylene in their vehicles? Let's take a closer look at a case study that showcases the benefits of this innovative material. One major manufacturer that's been at the forefront of polypropylene adoption is BMW. In their latest models, BMW has been using polypropylene to reduce weight, improve fuel efficiency, and minimize environmental impact. And the results are impressive, with significant reductions in greenhouse gas emissions and production costs. But BMW isn't the only manufacturer embracing polypropylene. From General Motors to Volkswagen, major companies are recognizing the benefits of this versatile material. And as the industry continues to shift towards more sustainable practices, polypropylene is likely to play an increasingly important role. So, what does the future hold for polypropylene in the automotive industry? As manufacturers continue to push the boundaries of innovation, we can expect to see even more widespread adoption of this game-changing material. In fact, polypropylene has the potential to transform the entire automotive industry, enabling manufacturers to create cars that are not only more sustainable, but also more efficient, more affordable, and more durable. So, what do you think about polypropylene in cars? Are you excited about the potential of this innovative material? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to qfleetnews the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.